We can't see it with our eyes. We can't detect it with our most sensitive telescopes, yet it makes up more of our universe than all of the stars and planets combined. What? Okay. Question. What's in the room you're in right now? Easy to answer, right? You can look with your eyes or use your other four senses to identify all the stuff around you. For hundreds of years, astronomers have been exploring the vast room of the universe using light. First with their eyes, then with ever more advanced tools like telescopes that detect other electromagnetic radiation, like radio waves, infrared, and more. All of these tools help us learn about the universe and what's in it. But what if I told you that 85% of all the matter in the universe cannot be detected with light? You can't see it, you can't feel it, but you know it's there. But that's the case with dark matter. It makes up most of the total matter in the universe, yet it doesn't interact with any electromagnetic radiation. In fact, as you're watching this video, billions of dark matter particles are probably flying through your body right now. So what is this stuff? And how do we know it's there? Well, if I knew the answer to that first question, I'd probably have a Nobel Prize. So let's move to the second question. How do we know that dark matter exists? For that, I'm going to take you to a constellation of galaxies known as the Coma cluster. In the 1930s, astronomers like Dr. Fritz Zwicky at the California Institute of Technology were using light to observe the thousands of galaxies orbiting the center of the Coma cluster. And they noticed something unique. The galaxies were moving really fast. Far too fast, in fact, for them to stay bound together in a cluster given the amount of detectable matter there. In order for them to stay bound by gravity and not go flying apart in all different directions, the combined masses of the galaxies would have to be shockingly high. Zwicky wrote that these galaxies must be held together by something he couldn't detect. Something he later called Dunkle Materie, which is German for dark matter. To clarify, that would be as if you packed your 10-pound travel suitcase with 10 pounds of clothes and 10 pounds of toiletries, and instead of the scale indicating 30 pounds, it screams 200 pounds. What the heck? Observations since the 1930s have continued to show that the amount of gravity in the universe just doesn't add up when you only account for visible matter, which makes it a fascinating time to be an astrophysicist. Science has revealed so much about our universe, yet we still don't know what 85% of the stuff is. There are always more puzzles to solve and more things to discover. What do you think we'll find next?
Off recording.